The red bags are emergency trauma kits provided to the schools. They should be found in every classroom throughout the buildings so that in the event of any emergency where we have bleeding or airway emergencies, we can help render aid on the spot.
These are a great idea. You never know what emergency can happen during the school day, and it's so important to be prepared and understand how to use the equipment.
A lot of planning, multiple members of the administration to set this up. Our partners from AED Everywhere and Chuck Mallett, his team put together a great product so that we can put it in the schools.
We took a lot of time and effort in deciding which areas of the classroom to designate the bags. We use safe areas in the classroom to put them on.
The teachers and staff will all be trained to let the red bags serve as a beacon to guide them to the safest place inside every classroom.
They have all the necessary supplies that you would need to take care of a student in an emergency. And they come with a convenient QR code that you can scan to watch videos to understand how to use the supplies. We
have airway management tools, so a one-way valve mask for providing CPR and emergency breathing to a person. And we have numerous pieces of hemorrhage control or bleeding control supplies. So compressed gauze, we have emergency tourniquets, things like that to help stop bleeding to afford us time to get an injured person to proper medical treatment. We've delivered over 10,000 bags to the school district. Should be red bags throughout every building within the Cherry Creek school system.